stories and interviews you can catch up on our social media pages. That's a Star FM. And Skuda. WhatsApp. I'm not doing that with you guys. So let's get into our training stories. So for our training today, training is a posture trait. Men are more forgiving after a conflict. They say men forgive faster and hold fewer grudges. In courts, men are why relationships last. So a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that men tend to move through romantic conflicts more quickly and with less lingering resentment than women. And this male tendency is a key reason relationship last. Hands Varume vanokasika kuregerera after a conflict. And I wanna did tokarisana did pass. Hands wanna did vanokasika kuregerera kudarika vakadzi. So what I want to know on this, Kuti, what's your take on this? How true is it that men are more forgiving after a conflict as compared to women? And about forgiveness, is it a gender trait or more of a personal trait, or snongo depend on the character imun? Kuti akaira say anokasika kuregerera ere kana kuti anotora time and ramba chizi donza kuzosera pama current conversations. And also let's take it a bit more personal. Who forgives between you and your partner? Who forgives faster? And men are more forgiving than women. Who forgives faster and who doesn't? And that's why my relationship actually lasted, because like rumono kaska kubuda mu that emotional so talk to me. You can send me your messages. You can send me your voice notes on 0772 162 651. How true is it? For my personally, I don't think men forgive. Personally, I feel like men under the carpet. They just want to put everything under the carpet, and we pretend kuti everything is fine. We just skip it. And also, as women, we are emotional beings. If something is not addressed, we'll keep quiet, but it's not addressed. So I also want to know, could forgiveness very fast? Is it actual forgiveness, or we just don't want to address the situation? I don't know. So hit me up 0772 162 651 and tell me, Kuti, you can also send me voice notes, Kuti, between you and your partner. Who forgives fast? Who forgives faster? Yes, I'm saying Indian. So Hazel Eyes says men forgive faster, because 90% of the time brain ziri kubia nikumwe kwacho ikoko. All right, now because why are you throwing shade? Why are you throwing shade? Why? Anzi machinda hold the grudge. That's why I wanna back in school. Most girls right now tamba ni boys. Morning Lewe. No, it's not a flu. Baba daka fadaya ku onto ndoka kapera voice. Okay. Anzi men are the ones who forgive faster for women. Unotombo tanga watsiurwa. Trutsiureres. But and then we move past it. Okay, morning Lewe. I think men take things very easy most of the time. As ladies, heart, and most of the time, Saka, it's not easy to forgive. I also believe that as well. So, backstory. So this is a training post which read: men are more forgiving after a conflict, and men forgive faster and hold fewer grudges as compared to women. And men are the reasons why relationship last. So I'm asking you if it's a gender trait or it's a personal character ya munu, and how true is it? And munu wako anoregerera o fast ere cannot use not all the time. You can hit me up, send me voice notes, you can send me your text, your opinions on 0772 162 651. Teams go good. How true is this?
Easing you into the day. The Morning Galaxy.